Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start vlog number 2 in which I will tell you about the current affair of Pakistan and the world. चलें शुरू करते हैं। दुनिया में जितने भी काम हो रहे हैं मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि इट इज़ अ फैक्ट द वर्ल्ड इज़ इन क्राइसिस। वी डोंट नो व्हेन द वर्ल्ड गोइंग टू चेंज, but as of 2020 the world has changed. The coronavirus has infected millions of people, maybe billions of people, and then the industrial crisis shut down, forced to shut down the work, and maybe it's going to take a while to open slowly by next 2022 maybe. But as you know, as I think about it, I think that maybe we can learn from this coronavirus, this parametric virus, which may have caused thousands of lives in every day. In Europe, millions of people have died. In Asia, millions of people have died. But what we learn from it? We have learned that we need social distancing. We need to change our lives. Maybe people are working from home. People are celebrating less. People are meeting together less. But it may cause normal life. May think that the world you have seen, I have seen, has changed a lot. There is a crisis. I've been looking at Ladakh, India and China. They don't care. Millions of people have died in their countries. They just want to fight. They want to take their rights. India claimed that Ladakh is part of India, and China claimed Ladakh is part of China. But I don't know who is surely is part of who. But Ladakh is part of Azad Jammu and Kashmir. That is the distributed area controlled by India. More or less, there are also news of Americans and China and Taiwan. Taiwan is also a country. Not China only recognize it, but UN also has recognized it, Taiwan in past years. It is the island based where the republics are based and whatsoever. But we can call it the whatsoever in your country. And you can see in 2020 that North Korea and South Korea was diversely engaging each other. They have cancelled their meetings. They have destroyed their cultural inhabitant sites, which share their thoughts, culture, understanding more or less. But in past months, I've been looking at the news that the news is not good in North and South Korea. You can see everything is happening in this world is controlled by will of God. As you can see that there were many crises in the pendula, Arab pendula. You can see that Saudi Arab and Iran Cold War in last year they have been engaged, but now they are silenced because of the virus. I think the virus may have infected the whole world, but it has not been the part of the conflicts. The conflict is still going on. People are hunger increases, world crisis increases. We have to look at it. together fighting with Corona. Corona is just the virus. I'm just saying that most people don't like my talk on YouTube saying that I have materials regarding I have said many bad things, but I'm just saying that this is our discussion on current affairs of the world, that what is happening in the world. Many of people, many of the viewers, many of the subscribers think that I have uh, given a bad example of our country, but that is not right. I have the full authority. I think I have a full authority on speech, on protest, on self-defense. That is the democracy. Democracy means all this. We have taught in our college that democracy means freedom of speech, freedom of protest, freedom of rights, freedom of self-defense, and everything just get away with it. Thus, I'm saying that the world or our countries have to work together to erase this virus. The WHO is still working on it, but they couldn't find a vaccine. What kind of virus is that that has infected our lives, our culture, our speech, our uh, inner parts of our life? Most of the world is in crisis because of the virus. Our you can see the oil prices has gone down, and the dollar or the euro or the any currency has been down because there is no work, there is no export, there is no import. How can we work? So I'm saying that many of our countries are struggling to survive, and you can see by 2022, 23, 24 that many of the country collapsed. There is no country left to start over again. The poor country will have to wait 100 years to start over again. The rich country, I think, like America, like China, like Korea, South Korea, and Japan, may arise from this pandemic virus, that is coronavirus. And there were many uh, things that has to be discussion, but you know that the virus is not the cause of this crisis. It is ourselves who have caused this crisis. So we have to stay alert, we have to work together, we have to do whatever they are. We are going to volunteer our work into it. We are going to start over again. We have a will to do it. We have a struggle in the future to start over again. Many of our unemployed in Pakistan, in Korea, in Europe are still dreaming of surviving. We have to give them hope that the virus may end and the employment rate will increase. And that is the cause of this virus. Many of these you can reading news on the. I always uh, read news on internet, watch news on BBC, CNN, and everything whatever I find is crisis. How can we end this crisis? There is a virus going on, there is a war going on, there is protest going on, nothing changed. The world is still moving. Then we have to still moving on, but with careful SOPs. SOPs are the most important in our life. Now that SOPs are implemented, the social distancing has increased. Then the healthy worship has increased. The work has Allah put us on is the work of God. It is hard. It is His will to start over again, not our will to start over again. Many of our people have lost their parents, have lost their children, have lost their wife uh, because of this virus. This virus has affected us all. Next topic is our uh, culture. As you can see, that our culture are different from any other. Our religion are different from any other, but the culture we have to share is to we have to. People may say, when you are Rome, act like Romans, but as I say, that the culture may be different, but the heart is same. You have to uh, meet different people, you have to work with different people, you have to consider with different people, so that you can work hard. I always wanted to share my views on culture, my views on different aspect of life of different religion, but I never have a time to discuss it. Uh, as you know, that most of the world is in crisis. I think I'm my purpose of this video is to share my thought, my ideas about the current affair, current world situation is happening in the world. So as I always tell people that you have a hope, then you are going to survive. If you don't have a hope, then you can't survive this world. You are not unemployed, you have a skills in yourself. You have to because of the virus, different people have opened their shops, own businesses. They have never give up hope. Maybe I think they will become successful in life, not working in the companies, not working anywhere, by doing their own work. But they have their own control of their own business. So maybe by 2022, 2021, and maybe next 3 years, the employment rate will increase, and the small business will rise again. People will have to, I think, more careful than ever. But we have this virus is not going away for quite some time, because this virus has limitation how it infect. But as you know, that this crisis will end, and please if you don't have a hope in your life for a surviving, then you are nothing. Please have a hope to start over again, to start thinking all over again, start from zero. You can begin by 1, 2, 3 and be a successful part. That I'm going to say. As always, I said, as always, save yourself from the virus. Wear masks, wear hand sanitizer, and gloves, so you can protect from yourself. मैं कहना चाहूँगा आखिर में कि आप मास्क पहने, हैंड सैनिटाइज़र रखें, ग्लव्स पहने, अपना को प्रोटेक्ट रखें. और बस आखिर में ये कहना चाहूँगा, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. If you don't like my video, then it's okay, thumbs down. If you like my video, then thumbs up, and keep watching my channel. Inshallah, I will upload a new vlog with the new videos every 2 weeks. And this uh, if you have any trouble asking about how you feel, you can share your thought on my comment section. You can tell me about what did I say wrong, what did I did wrong in the video, what did I say, anything that irrelevant. You can always comment down. I always read comments of different people so that I can improve myself. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is my vlog number 2. Thank you for watching.